Good day, everyone. We are group number 4 and we're going to present the Online Museum of Dornier. What is Dornier? Dornier, an aircraft that is highly versatile, multi-purpose, light transport aircraft. It has been developed specifically to meet the manifold requirements of utility and commuter transport, third-level services, air taxi, operation, coast guard duties, and maritime surveillance.
So let's start with the founder of Dornier. Dornier was formed in 1914 by Claude Dornier, who finished his studies at Technical University in Munich. It was called as Dornier Flugzeuge. In a German, is a German aircraft manufacturer in Friedrichshafen. Dornier produced a lot of different aircrafts for both civil and military markets. The Dornier planes had a lot of impact during the World War. Claude Dornier was a German aircraft designer who made a numerous significant aircraft designs to enhance the aerial artillery of the Nazi. Here are some of his many designs: the Zeppelin Lindo Dornier DI and Dornier Do 17 Z2. Dornier historical impact in the World War One. During the First World War, Dornier has been making impact on the aviation industry by generating and manufacturing planes for the German aerial artillery. These are the Zeppelin Lindo Dornier DI. Dornier's historical impact during the World War II. During the Second World War, in its early stages, these Dornier Do 17Z2 were used by the Germans for bombing. They were believed to be fast and reliable. It was nicknamed Fast Bomber.
Dornier 228. In 2009, Rowag started building a Dornier 228 new generation in Germany. A fuselage, wings, and tail unit are manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited or HAL in Kapur, India, and transported to Oberpfaffenhofen, where Rowag Aviation carried out aircraft final assembly. The Dornier 228 NG used same airframe with improved technology and performance such as new five-blade propeller, glass cockpit, and longer range. The first delivery was made in September 2010 to a Japanese operator, and in 2020, Rowag sold the Dornier 228 program to General Atomics.
For the parts of the Dornier, using Dornier 228 and as an example, this Dornier has six main important parts. First, the power plant. The Dornier 228 aircraft is powered by two Honeywell engines, each driving a five-bladed reversible pitch, fully feathering propeller. Engine cowls are constructed of aluminum alloy and are easily removable for routine and major maintenance. The wings span of 16.97 meters, and it has an airfoil of DO A5. The empennage, the fuselage, with the length of 16.56 meters, max height of 1.9 meters, max width of 1.5 meters. The cockpit that can accommodate two crew members, cabin can accommodate 19 passengers, and finally, the fuselage, which is constructed of 2024 aluminum alloy, and the vertical and horizontal stabilizers are supported by the fuselage's tail section. A detachable reinforced fiberglass cone forms the termination.
Dornier pros and cons. They are powered by state-of-the-art engines that allows them to land on short runways at regional airports. An ambulance aircraft combines several advantages for the benefit of sick patients. Dornier is a good bomber during World War. Cons. The layout of the Do-335 was intended to deal with problems that no longer affect military aircraft. so it is not used. Dornier has bad turning and handling, as well as lack of armor and a propensity to catch fire, making this aircraft a very difficult ride.
The Dornier 2335 was one of the fastest propeller-driven aircraft ever flown. The Germans claimed that the pilot flew a Do 335 at a speed of 846 kilometers per hour or 474 miles per hour in level flight at a time when the official world record was 755 kilometers per hour or 469 miles per hour. Two liquid-cooled engines, each developing about 1,750 horsepower, the Do 335. Dornier mounted one engine in the nose and the other in the tail in a unique low-drag push-pull configuration. This innovative design also featured an injection seat, a tail fin which the pilot could jettison, and tricycle landing gear. For a fighter airplane, the Do 335 was enormous and tall enough that a person of normal height could walk beneath it, and it is very heavy at 9,600 kilograms loaded. Serious flaws also plagued the design. The rear engine overheated often, and the landing gear was weak and prone to failure. Here's a documentary about the Dornier Do 335. Example aircrafts under the name of Dornier are seen in the screen. Here are the references or the websites we took from the information of our slide or our museum. That is all for our group presentation. We are group 4 presenting Dornier.